Hello guys, welcome to East Village. My name is Debbie e hoje nós vamos aprender os cômodos da casa e alguns objetos. Here we have bedroom, 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 bathroom, bathroom. Presta atenção que aqui tem o TH de novo, hein? Bathroom, bathroom. Living room, living room. Kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. Não pode confundir com chicken, hein? Normalmente as pessoas acabam trocando porque é bem parecido. Dining room, dining room. Laundry room, laundry room. Backyard, backyard. Now let's see some objects in these rooms. In the bedroom, we can find a bed, a rug, curtains, and a wardrobe. So again, in the bedroom, there is a bed, a rug, there are curtains, and there is one wardrobe. In the bathroom, there is a sink, a toilet, a shower, and a bathtub. So, in the bathroom, there is a sink, a toilet, a shower, and a bathtub. In the living room, there is a couch, a TV, a rug, an armchair, and curtains. So in the living room, there is a couch, a TV, an armchair, a rug, and curtains. In the kitchen, there is a sink, a counter, some cabinets, a stove, and a refrigerator. Refrigerator. So in the kitchen, there is a sink, a counter, some cabinets, a stove, and a refrigerator. In the dining room, there is a table and there are chairs. In the dining room, there is a table and there are some chairs. In the laundry room, there is a washing machine and an iron. There is a washing machine and an iron. In the backyard, there are flowers and grass. So in the backyard, there are flowers and grass. Para terminar o vídeo, segue um pequeno quiz. Vamos ver quantos vocês conseguem acertar. So that's it, guys. Não esquece de deixar o seu like, deixar um comentário aqui pra gente caso você tenha alguma dúvida. Se inscreve no canal, ativa o sininho feliz, and I'll see you guys next week.